Ever see a cooking hack and think, no way, that works? Today, we are testing a with YouTube method with this ginger and bok choy fried rice. I'm using mini bok choy cause they are cute, but honestly, just use whatever greens are rotting in your fridge. Before we light up the stove, hit that subscribe button to save my channel from starvation. Done? Awesome! Let's get cooking! No overnight rice today, so fresh rice it is. Spread it out, toss in some lard or oil so it won't stick, and let it cool. If you are using fresh rice, use less water than when cooking. Now, chop your ingredients. Finely mince about 40 grams of ginger, or more if you are into that strong ginger power. And then, slice green onions. We will use about 1 stalk in this video. Next, slice the chili diagonally because everything looks fancier at an angle. It's totally optional, so if you don't like it, just skip it. Finally, chop the mini bok choy in bite-sized pieces so we don't choke on them later. Let's make our sauce. In a bowl, let's add some Shaoxing wine, a bit of sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and some white pepper. Stir it like it's your favorite portion and set it aside. Time for the experiment. Crack an egg straight in and mix until yellow. A normal person would scramble it in the wok, but some internet chefs swore by these. Genius or crazy? Let's see. Heat up your pan with some lard or oil. Add ginger and saute it until your kitchen smells like ginger heaven. Once it's slightly golden, pour in your magical sauce. Crank up the heat, it's go time. Let it simmer and reduce by half. Let the alcohol cook off. We want the aroma, not a hangover. Now, toss in the bok choy. Cook for about 1 minute. Just enough to soften but not drown it. Still got some sauce in the pan? Good. Time to add the rice-egg mixture. Stir and fold, let the rice soak up all that flavor like it just got boiled full time. No need to shake like a maniac. Let the egg cook slowly, give it time, and then stir gently until it dries up a bit. Now, turn up the heat. You will see some crispy bits form. That's gold. That's fried rice magic. Flip it. Look at that glorious crust. But don't overdo it. We are not making rice jerky. Add a bit more lard or Shaoxing wine if needed to bring back moisture and drama. Now, toss in the scallions and chili. Give it a few quick stirs, and boom! We are done. See? Even with a slow stir fry, we still get that rich soy sauce aroma and fluffy grains. So, final verdict? It's not bad, but I still prefer my own way. If you enjoyed watching me test internet cooking myths, smash that like button, leave a comment with your favorite fried rice hack, and subscribe for more lazy recipe. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going back to my couch. See you next week. Bye!